Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, still a little bit sick making this video today, but what we're going to be discussing is the upcoming Bred Reimagined Jordan 4, which I should have the early review in this week, so stay tuned for that. On my Instagram, I'll be posting, early photos, stuff like that, and of course on the channel here, we got a couple pairs, on the way, so stay tuned for that. But main topic of this video is going to be that sneaker, and we're going to be discussing where I think it'll fall in terms of resale, since the prices are pretty crazy right now, but, that's mainly if you look on apps, right? Like if you're going to apps to buy this shoe early, probably not the right approach. That's, just what I'm gonna leave it at. But, we'll continue. If you all want more content like this, feel free to check my Insta again, any of that down below. I'm always selling kicks here. So if you ever need a pair, just want to check out some of my recent posts, my reels, I'm always posting content here. So feel free to check it out. I'd really appreciate it. Shoot me a DM if I haven't gotten back to you. Again, just message me again. That's all you got to do. And you can feel free to check us out down below in HYPELABS. If y'all want to see some of the recent deals we've done on the screen, those are just some ones we did yesterday, but we got more on the way today and tomorrow. So don't forget, we do that kind of stuff every single day. So hope to see y'all down there, and you can check out our Twitter, anything if y'all want to. And yeah, if you get in that wait list, you'll get access to everything that's offered right here, and we'll let you in within 24 hours. So that's all I need to say. I hope to see y'all down below, and yeah, again, feel free to hit me if you need any kicks. But let's get started on discussing the Bred Reimagined Jordan 4. So I just want to get some of the basic details out the way. So most of y'all probably know the drop date for the sneaker, which is February 17th. It's going to be men's sizes, grade school sizes, preschool sizes, toddler sizes. Y'all can see all the retail for that. Retail prices for those right here. So 215, 160, 100, and then 85. I believe they've raised each of those like $5, except for like the grade school little kids. Toddler, I don't think those have gone up in price. This might have 10, but I mean, again, we're not really paying attention to that too much. But when you look at this sneaker and the resale prices, I do not know why I did not have that pulled up. But one second. As you guys can see, you have some people listing them at $700 right now. You got bids for $450. If you check out most of the sales right now, not just for size 11. Let me go to all right here. I mean, someone bought a size 9 this morning. Look, for $1,100. That is insane. So congratulations to whoever bought that early. Amazing sale. But yeah, some people are definitely willing to pay up for this shoe. Obviously, if any of you guys need a size, just hit me up on my Instagram. I can get it to you early. Mostly like 8 through 11. So, my bigger sizes, I'll get y'all right soon. Probably closer to drop day. But yeah, any of y'all feel free to let me know. Hit me up if you're interested. But yeah, obviously I won't be charging y'all at prices. So just, kind of stay tuned for that. You can hit me on my Instagram. But looking at these, where I would personally see them fall on, just kind of seeing the early pairs, we're between a range of $500 to $600 mostly. You got some sales at $400 also are starting to creep in. It's that range. So I personally see these falling into, considering there's 300,000 pairs on the way, I think these will probably be, lower $300 easily. Probably some of the smaller sizes could potentially dip to like 280, 290. I'm talking like sizes like 6.5, 7, 7.5, ones that normally aren't like super popular, right? Or some of the ones that are more produced, like maybe a size 9. Potentially could see them up there at 280, 300. I think that's, the lowest we would see most of these go. But the big sizes like 11, 12, 13, 10.5, the ones that are normally very, very popular, those are probably going to easily stay above a range, 320, 350. That's probably where I would see them falling to. Again, if you're selling them early right now, then you really don't have to worry about those prices as long as you get them out before release day, because these will be selling super hot before drop day. I mean, there's going to be a lot of people looking for this one early. But again, after drop day, after a lot of people take their L's, I would not be shocked if these rose in price. So if my prediction ends up being off, I think it would be because these would actually end up going in price after drop day. Because keep in mind, they did like 200 pairs of Kobe's. Those still went up in price. Lost and founds, those went up in price even after the massive restock. Like, there's lots of things where, like, they could drop a good amount of pairs, but the demand is still going to be so high for this shoe. Because people love the Bred, like anything Bred 4, people are going for it. And we have another classic this year. I know this is going to be a sneaker that ages well, one that people will want over time. So that's one of the main things. I'm excited getting in hand because, I kind of want to see, how the leather looks, because it is a little bit different. I kind of want to see if it's more like towards like the OG feel, if it's more kind of like that pleather, kind of material, which would not be good. But I have a feeling, like I've seen some more photos recently, and it looks more like it's not the pleather material, just kind of more of a throwback to, like, I don't know, the OG materials they would use. They're kind of giving it that look, if that makes sense. So I think that's the case, but obviously I'm gonna know probably like Friday this week. So just, stay tuned for the review. I'll have something up on the channel. Hopefully should be this week if everything goes to schedule. So I'm hoping for that. That's the main thing. But aside from that, again, y'all, I'll just keep this open so y'all can see these are the early prices right now. Crazy. This is what people are paying early for the Breds, or some people, because not everyone's actually going out there. But some people are throwing bids at like $490, $500, and people are taking them. So realistically, that's where they're selling early right now, is like around $500. But most of them will probably drop in price within the coming weeks. So keep that in mind. If you're just someone that really wants a personal and you're like, you know what, I'm gonna be patient, that's probably the best approach. I'd wait closer to drop day, since there'll be more pairs out there, the price will be a little bit lower. But if you're someone that's like, you know what, I need them now, hey, feel free to hit me up on Insta. I can try and get you right, or just start getting to looking, because obviously there'll be more that will start to get posted. But another thing I recommend with buying anything early, you got to make sure it comes with a box, and you got to be careful to pay through protected payment platforms, because you don't want to get hit with a fake pair. That's another thing you got to be careful with these early pairs. There's a lot of fakes that are going around, and definitely for this shoe, this is one of the most popular shoes dropping in 2024. If you don't think there's any fakes going around of these right now, you would definitely be mistaken. But aside from that, that is what I can mention about, the Jordan 4 Bred. Again, will probably fall to a range of $300 to $350 once we get closer to drop day. But again, I'm kind of holding my tongue on that, because if they don't get that close, right? Like if we're couple days before drop day and they're not near 300, 350, I don't know if they'll ever get there, because I don't see these dropping in price after release day. I see a lot of people taking L's, and then most people running apps. That's how it's been with a lot of these hype releases, and this is probably going to be the case for this one. So I just want y'all to keep that in mind, because this is gonna be a hype shoe. 300k, 500k. I like, honestly, 300k or 500k pairs is not gonna make much of a difference. The main difference of that would really just determine whether the shoe would, like, how much it would rise after release day. That's the only thing that would change. Like, if it's 300k, okay, it's going to rise more. If it's 500k, okay, it won't rise as much, but it'll still be a good bet over time, because it's a classic model. So just some of the main things I will get out the way, but make sure you guys are ready for this release, February 17th. And of course, I got some great content on the way this week. Do not miss out. Hopefully you should have Year of the Dragon Low in hand. That'll probably be towards like the end of this week, but there's still some other content I will be posting. So there's lots of like small things in between, like, these hype drops y'all can be doing. So I'm definitely going to keep dropping, like the sourcing tips videos, resale advice. If y'all are into that kind of stuff, y'all want any, like sneaker holds videos, just let me know in the comments. Like any type of video you've been looking for, let me know, and I will try and get it done. So, because it's a good week for that. It's kind of like, not too much going on with the shoes. We're just kind of preparing for the big drops, getting the early pair, stuff like that. So yeah, if there's anything y'all want to see, just let me know in the comments. And of course, if y'all need any sneakers, hit me up on my Instagram, man. I'm always here to get y'all right. Let me know what y'all are thinking about the Breds. If y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Again, we always are doing content like this on the channel, videos, just kind of about the upcoming shoes, early reviews, anything like that. So if that's what interests you, then I hope to see y'all there. And I think I already said 200 likes. If we could do that, that'd be great. If not, it's not the end of the world. And if y'all want to check us out down below on HYPELABS, feel free. Y'all can see some of the undermarket sneakers we've done on the screen right now. So if that's something you're into, again, y'all can check us out on our website, get on the wait list, and you'll get access to that within 24 hours. And you can also see everything else that's offered right there. Like, for example, botters, that we got a huge Stanley drop tomorrow, so we're going to have botters running for that, so they'll be able to cop you some. I'm definitely getting ready for that. So that's really all I need to mention to you guys. So I hope to see y'all down below on my Insta, wherever you're at, and then feel free to just give me a follow. We've been posting a lot here, so I really do appreciate the support, guys. Y'all been showing a lot of love here. So I'm gonna end that screen recording. I'm Tristan. Thank you guys. There's tons on the way, so just make sure you guys are staying tuned. And if you need any Breds, hit me on my Insta. But that's it. I'm T. Thank you guys, and hopefully I'll catch you on the next one. Coming soon. Peace.